Good evening from the WNCN Weather Center. I'm meteorologist Katy Shawkey. And now the U.S. Open down in Pinehurst just missed a bullet by a storm that was moving just south of Pinehurst that was warned and had gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So they had to suspend play for a little bit. But don't worry, this is moving out of the area later tonight. 38 right now in Raleigh. Not much better than out in the mountains, actually. 31 out in Boone, 36 in Asheville. It's going to be a cold night across the entire state. So here's how this is going to play out. We've got that cold front off to our west, and now if you look at the clock, 9 a.m. Saturday, it's already going to be a little bit down to our southeast from the triangle, still a little over Fayetteville and the Sandhills, but by 2 p.m. on Saturday, that will have moved out of our area a couple of days, because here it is right here along the border, and there's that low, and with that there is a cold front that will be bringing in some more clouds and some rain Friday evening, but those temperatures are still going to be very warm. Now, this isn't the only home that was damaged. There were 40 homes damaged from this single tornado, and there's also another being investigated in Person County. For more information on this, you can head to our website, WNCN.com. Thanks, Alyssa. That's right. And with some of these storms, we have seen a lot of heavy downpour, especially north of Raleigh and up near the North Carolina-Virginia border. The National Weather Service confirmed today that an EF1 tornado touched down near Stedman in Cumberland County Tuesday. Even though it was a low of 30, we had those wind chills that brought us down into the 20s. 67 in Raleigh and 65 down in Fayetteville, and that's a reflection of the fact that we actually hit 80 degrees today. But as I said before, here comes that low pressure into Friday, bringing a slight chance for showers later in the day, some more cloud cover, but still a little bit warmer tonight. But watch out, because behind it we've got a low pressure system that will be bringing rain and a cold front further into this weekend.
With the answer, we turn now to Katy Shawkey. Hey, Katy.
Hey, Alyssa, I don't think they're going to be around for the weekend. It looks like it's going to be much better, but you wouldn't be able to tell that from right now. There's showers and storms that have moved over north Raleigh are strengthening again with some heavy downfall. And now the U.S. Open down in Pinehurst just missed a bullet by a storm that was moving just south of Pinehurst that was warned and had gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So they had to suspend play for a little bit. But don't worry, this is moving out of the area later tonight. 8 p.m. we can see still a few leftover storms, but those will be leaving the area as we move into midnight down to 71. Still cloudy though, and by 6 a.m. into the mid 60s, those clouds are hanging around. But now the reason for that is because we do have a front off to our west, and that's going to move through the area overnight. But the wonderful thing about it is what's behind it. If you check out further west, we've got a high pressure that's going to be following that cold front, and with high pressure we do get clearer skies. But that means this front needs to move through first, and with it the rest of those showers. So as you watch the clock, 11 p.m., this front is off to our west at the mountains on our doorstep. Now, as we get through to the morning, 9 a.m., the triangle is much more clear. Sandhills still hanging on to some clouds, maybe even a spotty shower. But as we go further into the day, 2 p.m., it moves even more off the coast. And by 8, it's still not completely off the coast. It's slowed down, so you could still see a spotty shower, thunderstorm throughout the Sandhills tomorrow. If you are going to be in Pinehurst for the U.S. Open tomorrow, the morning should be wonderful. 76 degrees at 9 a.m., 84 by noon, and then there's that chance of that leftover shower around 3 p.m. and getting up into the 90s, which can start to feel a little uncomfortable. But as far as the humidity goes, it's going to be so much better than it has been. It's in that comfy range finally at 57 degrees. We've been in the 60s for the past week or so, so things have been feeling quite muggy, which means tomorrow's high of 87 in Raleigh should feel very comfortable. Stray showers so in the morning from that front, and then Durham at 86, and Fayetteville again at 91, again with that chance of a stray shower from that front as well. So we've talked about Saturday, we said 87, but Sunday is definitely your pick day, and it does happen to be Father's Day, and that's when you're going to see plenty of sunshine, but unfortunately those 90s start to come back as we go into next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to 93. That is just getting hot and uncomfortable. But those storms also are starting to come back later next week as well. Good evening. I'm meteorologist Katy Shawkey in the WNCN Weather Center. We've had another day of severe weather with widespread showers and thunderstorms. We've also been watching a few leftover showers down in Hoke and Moore counties. But other than that, the rest of the area is dry and will make for a dry night tonight, which is going to help to keep temperatures fairly mild as well. 74 is still a little warm right now in Raleigh, but the rest of the Piedmont is already into the lower 70s. Now tonight's going to feel a little bit colder than it was last night. As we take you hour by hour, 67 is going to be your morning low tomorrow, but there is a chance for some patchy fog due to the rain that we saw today. Now, as we begin to warm up tomorrow, when we peak out at 86 around 3 p.m., those clouds will have come back, and we do still have another chance for showers and thunderstorms, which will cool us off a little bit by 6 p.m. down to 84 for your Friday drive home. Now, 67 should feel comfortable, but you've got to wonder about that humidity, because right now our dew point is at 68, which is the top end of muggy, almost into steamy. And when our temperature matches our dew point is when we get 100% relative humidity, and that does not feel good. So we do have a chance for showers and thunderstorms again tomorrow, but not as much as today. And all of that's thanks to this cold front that's about to be knocking on our door off to our west. When that moves through the area is when we're going to see that chance for rain, but it's also going to help to keep our temperatures more mild and closer to seasonal for June. Now, Saturday's looking even better. As that cold front moves off the coast, high pressure to our northwest begins to take over. We're going to see clear skies with only partly cloudy for tomorrow and an even less chance for rain, down to about 20%. Now, tomorrow's highs as we go city by city, much better than the 90s that we've been seeing. 86 tomorrow in Raleigh, 85 in Durham, and 88 down in Fayetteville. Now, speaking of Fayetteville, if you're headed over to Pinehurst for day number 2 of the U.S. Open tomorrow, you can expect a very nice morning, 77, pretty mild and partly cloudy skies around 9. However, make sure you bring that umbrella because rain chances build in as we warm up our day, topping out at around 86 about 3 p.m. for tomorrow. So we've talked about tomorrow. We have Friday, 86, 40% chance of showers, a little bit better than today. Saturday is even better still, a little bit cooler and only at 20%. Sunday, however, that is the best day, the pick day, and it's Father's Day with 88 and mostly sunny skies. Unfortunately, those 90s are coming back Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday up to 92. Thursday, just almost to 90 with a 30% chance of showers again.